How to turn on Facebook Marketplace vacation mode. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn on Facebook Marketplace vacation mode. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Marketplace icon on the bottom toolbar of your screen, which also looks like the shop icon. Once you are in your marketplace, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen beside the Settings tab. Once you are in your profile, scroll down and under the More tab, tap on the Settings option, and under Manage Settings, you will see the option for Vacation Mode. Tap on that and further go ahead and toggle on the button for Vacation Mode, and with this your Facebook Marketplace Vacation Mode will be enabled. And when this feature is enabled, your listings do not appear in searches and buyers cannot place orders or start new conversation with you. So this is how you can turn on Facebook Marketplace vacation mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.